Hi guys, how's everyone doing today? Today we're doing pretty good. My husband Terry and we came to Latona, Ohio, and we're going to explore the Coke Ovens. All right, stay tuned. Okay everyone, before we get started with today's video, I have some photos to show you, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the history. The Latona Beehive Coke Ovens were constructed in 1886 as part of the Latona Iron and Coal Company. The ovens were used to purify coal that was mined from the hills of Latona and Washingtonville. This purified coal was then used to make iron. The coke ovens, blast furnaces, and rolling mill was one of the largest employers for the Latona area until it closed in 1930. The site was placed on the National Register of Historic Places in 1993. Alright guys, so please enjoy some photos before the video starts. And thank you guys for watching. Okay, so when you first arrive to this area, these are the first part of the coke ovens on the left side from where we were coming. There's a few over here, as you can see. Now I don't know too much about the history of this place, but I will look it up, and I'm going to do a voiceover towards the beginning of the video, which you'll probably have already seen that by now. I'm sorry. Anyways, so look how cool these are. They're like covered with moss and plants and stuff like that, and leaves. Can you imagine back in the day? And you can still see like the red dirt here. I'm assuming it's from whatever they used to produce inside the coke ovens. Look at this nature. Just take it all in, guys. It's a beautiful day for October. Wow. Oh, I just had a leaf hit me in the face. The leaves are still falling, by the way. Look at this. Wow. Pretty cool. I like how the green moss grew around the brick, as you can see up here. It's hard to tell in a photo or in a video, but I can see it a little better. I don't really want to go inside the oven thing. Oops, I'm losing my balance trying to go up this hill, but woo. Yeah, see how the moss grew on here? Isn't that cool? I'm sorry about the sunlight glare, but look inside there, guys. It's pretty nice size. Like I said, I'll try to get information for you guys. I just love how nature like just grew around these ovens. Like, you see how all the different greenery is and the ferns and stuff. That's really cool. Look at this tree. Wow. Part of this must have broke off years ago, it looks like. This old tree. Pretty cool, huh? I'll take a picture of the tree. Alright, so see this old bridge here? Isn't that neat? More of the coke ovens over that way, and there's Terry doing his thing. Oh, this one has some hay inside, look. Oh. I wonder if they put some hay in there. Maybe there was an animal that was living in here. I don't want to get too close, just in case. If there's a nest in there of animals, I don't want to scare them. So down this whole line down here, we have more ovens, and then over on this side as well. Those are really covered over. Wow. I don't think Chris Stanton's been here yet, or Naomi and Bonnie, but they would really like this place too, I think. Guys, I know I haven't explored much the last couple of years, but I've tried to whenever I get a chance. You know, when you work a full-time job, 5 or 6 days a week, sometimes it's hard. But you know, last thing I really did was the prison, as you guys know. Look at in there. Cool, isn't it? Some of the ovens are shaped differently a little bit too. Like these have more of a secured structure around them. As you can see, they're not rounded on the top. Wow. These are some really great photos. And with it being fall, I wanted to come here before winter. I told Terry, I've been after him, let's go to this place. But as soon as we had a day off together, we said, let's just go and do it. So finally we came. A guy I work with was telling me about this place, so that's how I found out about it. Hey, look! Look how this is over here, guys. Is that clay or is that a type of brick? I'm sure once I find out more about this place. Ooh, look at this. A big tree stump with a big nest in it. But anyway, as soon as I find out more about this place, it'll explain more to what they used to do here. Wow. And I think this is pretty much the end of it. That's all grown over. It does keep going down that way, and there's more down that way as well. We'll get to that in a little bit. So look at this one I just came upon. You can see all the dirt and all the red clay and everything that kind of like melted and fell. Wow. And there's the roots from the trees and everything up in there. And that just kind of all fell over the years, it looks like. Oh my gosh, look at these little baby. I don't know if they're ferns or what, but they're so little and so cute. And this one, another one that's in ruins. And this one over here, whoops. I didn't realize there was a hole I dipped down in. Wow. You see how these ones are all covered over? Pretty crazy, huh? How nature just takes over. Look at that tree. Oh. Beautiful. And these ones, which we can't get over to that side, it's so overgrown. We'd never be able to walk over there. But that's fine. Pictures are good enough and video. So over on that side, it's more clear now. After this tree, then it kind of gets more clear on that side. Most of the trees around here are yellow. Where's all the pretty red and orange ones and burgundy? Wow, this just keeps going all the way down.
Yeah, I think it stops right there.
Yeah, I think so, down there. There's another trail going up that way. Go ahead, Sonny.
All right.
Alright guys, so we're going to head over to the other area that you haven't seen yet. That I haven't seen yet. Oh, there's a trail leading up there. Probably to the main road or something. looks like it was recently cut, doesn't it? Hmm. All right, we're gonna go across the bridge now. Whee! All right, and there's another bridge down this way.
Definitely going that way.
More of the coke ovens, but we can't get into that area. But yeah, I can't believe how many there is. Wow. I'm thinking there used to be water in this a long time ago and it dried up.
You can tell a little past.
Yeah.
All the way. I bet this was all water.
I bet you it was all water at one point, you're right.
Yeah.
Years ago. Look at this one, a tree that was here and they had to cut it. Wow. These ones are different, you guys. They're smaller and there's more of a structure still on these ones. And looks like they're not quite as... Oh, there is, okay. They are a big space inside. It's just a lot of dirt around it. This is just a parking lot. See a little groundhog. Oh, look, Terry's getting close to him. You guys see him right up there? Right where my finger is, right there. Oh, how cute. Oh, I scared him. Oh. Oh, sorry. All right. Look at this little log cabin thingy. Pretty cool, huh? One more thing I want to show you. Oh, look it, guys. How the leaves falling right now. It just got windy. Woo! Wow, isn't that cool? Hope those weren't, you know, guns firing off. Anyway, look at this thing. Wow. Something that they used to use, I'm sure, for hauling stuff around. Isn't that cool how old it is? And this too, it looks like they have tracks, so it must have been they used some kind of railroad tracks to transport these items. But these aren't as big as railroad, like the wheels on a train or something.
These are just coal
Oh, coal mining tracks. Oh, thanks, Ter.
That's what they did here.
Oh, okay, that's what they did here. Duh. What are you guys gonna do with me, huh? Oh, you're okay, Ter. Alright guys, so I'm gonna close out the video. I don't know if I pressed the right button or not, but anyway, please bear with me. I hope you guys had fun on this little tour. I sure did. Someone I work with, like I said, he told me about this place, so we thought we'd come and check it out. We had a day off together, so thank you. Please stay tuned for Terry's video as well. If you haven't seen his channel, please check him out. I'll put his link in the description box. Alright, thank you guys. Bye-bye.